What's going on, guys? Tater here with the raceshop.com. We're getting ready to do a drive video on this 1971 Buick Skylark. This thing is beautiful. The gentleman that owns this thing, this is his baby. It was repainted a few years ago. It's got a pretty fresh paint job on it, done very well. Interior's new. This thing runs and drives great. Small block motor, automatic transmission. You can go to our website, theraceshop.com, in Eldon, Mo, and get all the specs on this thing and watch the drive video and the walk around video. So I'm going to fire it up. This thing fires up so quick. Just like that. Has all dummy gauges, does not have no aftermarket gauges, got an 8-track tape player in it. Nope, I didn't know. That's an FM converter. Goes right in gear. Good power steering. Brakes are good. She's smooth. And I'm 6'3", close to 300 pounds, so I got pretty good room in here. Pretty good room. And it's cold here. It's about 30 degrees here in mid-Missouri right now. She fired right up. Of course, we had it inside in the showroom. But it's not cold-natured. It gets right after it. She's zippy. Very zippy. Transmission's just good. Good driver. This car's very clean. I'm going to get out up here and I'll do a complete walk around. I'm going to do a drive over video so you can see the underneath of the car. And there will be pics of underneath of the car frame and a lot more pics on our website at theraceshop.com in Eldon, Mo, and you can call 573-693-7223 and get a hold of us, and we'll tell you about everything we got. We've been selling some cars too, and you guys are out there around mid-Missouri and you need a hot rod sold, we can do it for you. We sold, we're going on our third one already this week. That's pretty good for this time of year. We sold quite a bit last month and a lot the month before that. So go to theraceshop.com. This thing's running great, driving good. This thing is car show ready, family ice cream ready. Get the little lady and put your hand on her knee ready and just take her for a cruise. This thing is nice. It does have AC and it is cold. Heater works, AC works. So there it is, guys. The next time you see me, we'll do a little walk around of it and do a little drive over. Turn around in the little turnaround spot here. Put the brakes on. It stops perfectly straight. This thing is smooth. It really is. All right, guys, remember, theraceshop.com. I'm going to walk around on the 1971 Buick. Woo, it's cold out here today. I'm sorry for the wind, but it's windy, windy, windy. Some oil on that, we'll fix that. This thing is a very nice car.